guys, welcome to Jafrika TV. On this channel, we will be exploring health, wellness,
creativity,
nature,
culture,
abundance,
freedom.
love, and much more. Stay tuned.
Third one, we'll carry on.
Hi guys, so today we're doing a vegan's utopia. First on the list, and this is their vegan brownie. And this is the cinnamon roll. It's so beautiful. Oh my god.
Everything in time. See, there's
Half an hour.
Let's see what's going on. You can take it and throw it and then take it back. And take it and throw it and take it back. And take what's there.
So this is mushroom with quinoa, and this is naan and tofu made with chickpea tofu. How is that? Delicious.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, but go on with it.
Yo, Izzy, are you kidding me?
To us, yeah. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on.
This is the owner of a Vegan's Utopia. Come over some. Welcome to Jafrika TV.
Jafrika.
Yes. Now tell us a little about a Vegan's Utopia.
We're a vegan. I don't like the word business. We're a vegan. What we call it again? Hold on. Labor of love. Yes. So we're a vegan labor of love. Right. Everybody that we serve is family. Extension of us. That's how we look at it. And what we're really doing is just exporting our lifestyle to the ones. So we are vegan, my wife and I, and that's our lifestyle. We use veganism to heal ourselves, to realize that food is very powerful. You know, holistically, food, mind, soul, right, the environment. It's just the other day I came outside and I was like, just breathing some fresh air. And I was like, I wonder if people realize that this is medicine. You know? I just breathe the fresh air and it's like we're always breathing but not really breathing. You get it?
Yeah.
So our goal is to really tackle health holistically. You know, not just from food, but we start with food. You know, because if you start one way or the other, you'll get there. You know, so we start with food, but we want to. We have been showing others just to be mindful of everything. So we wanted to make it easier for people to make the transition by doing exciting vegan. You know? So we never want us to, and not to say things boring, you know, but variety of the spice of life, right? So we spice it up still. We do things that people familiar with and put our spin on it and so on. And when they find out that it's completely vegan, I always blow them mind like, wow, this is vegan, you know. So, yeah man, so that is the track that we're on. We plan to build an empire. So look out for it, we're taking over the whole of Jamaica. You know.
The world.
Well, everybody know everybody, man. Naima.
I am Naeem.
Greetings. Andre. Yeah man.
And you're on? Jason.
Deanery.
Deanery?
Yes.
Blessings, Magenta.
Hi.
Thank you for having us.
You're welcome.
I'm Brenda.
Brenda, nice to meet you.
Deanery. Same here.
Yeah man.
Bless Andre. So what you gonna do? You give a little taste of what going today?
Yeah man, a little taste of the utopia.
Yeah, so
Right.
make them know what we get today, so we make them see most of the stuff them.
Oh cool. So this is the brownie. These are our brownies. Here. And then what's this? Okay. So this is what's left of the General Tso mushroom and stir fry quinoa. And this is what's left of the chickpea tofu tikka masala. Tikka masala is an Indian style curry, and this is the naan or spelt flatbread.
What do you mix?
Spelt flour.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah man, and then this is something. Oh, this is our cinnamon roll. Yeah, man, the cinnamon roll.
That's
Right.
favorite.
Yes. My
Alright,
favorite
boss.
to me there, I try to get the crumbs. Yeah. Order of everything, you know, so.
Why have the name Jafrika?
Because it's close to Africa. And it's Jamaica. Come again. Not just upon Africa TV.
What is Jafrika TV?
Is it
Jafrika. You go say Afrika?
free?
Jafrika.
Car.
Hi guys, welcome to Jafrika TV.